Salam friends, today our topic is the most important general knowledge MCQs for CSS, PMS, NTS and etea. Question 1. What was the old name of Karachi? Option A Karachi, Option B Kulach, Option C Karch. Question 2. What was the old name of Lahore? Option A Ahmedpur, Option B Mahmudpur, Option C Lahorepur. Question 3. What was the old name of Faisalabad? Option A Lailpur, Option B Faisalpur, Option C Abadpur. Question 4. What was the old name of Peshawar? Option A Parshapur, Option B Peshapur, Option C none of these. Question number 5. What was the old name of Islamabad? Number A. Option A Shahi Raj, Option B Rajshahi, Option C Raj Salam. Question number 6. What was the old name of Rawalpindi? Option A Ghaznipur, Option B Deenpur, Option C Rajpur.